Hi, in this video, we will compare Mangools and Majestic. Mangools is a set of easy-to-use search engine optimization tools for freelancers, bloggers, affiliate marketers, small to medium enterprises, SEO, and marketing agencies. Its key features, like keyword research, competitor analysis, SERP analysis, and others, help extract key data from all tools. Keyword Finder is the primary Mangools tool and the most used. It provides metrics on rankings, search volume, CPC, PPC, keyword difficulty, and more. The Search Engine Results Page Checker tool shows the results that a searcher will see for a particular keyword. Also, it examines how you would rank for the same keyword suggestions. Search Engine Results Page Watcher is a Mangools rank tracking tool. It monitors your search engine results page ranking for the given keywords. This tool provides information on your rank, how the keyword is trending, estimated traffic, search volume, and other performance indexes. Mangools Link Miner tool allows for backlink analysis of your page and your competitors and identification of link building opportunities. It provides site profiler backlink results, pointing to the domain or URL that you enter. Site Profiler provides an SEO profile of a website based on its popularity on Facebook and backlink strength. It offers extra insight, such as the top content of a competitor's website, which can help generate ideas for your site. Mangools offers a free plan forever, and paid plans start at $19 per month. On the other hand, Majestic SEO is an SEO software tool that specializes in link analysis. Majestic is not an all-in-one tool that does keyword research, SEO site audits, and on-page SEO analysis. It's 100% focused on backlinks. The Majestic Site Explorer is a suite of SEO tools, with reports that focus on a given website or page. The Majestic Referring Domains tool provides a list of domains and key metrics you need for a high-level evaluation of a backlink profile. The Majestic Backlink Checker SEO tool is designed to deliver detailed and accurate backlink profile data. The Majestic Backlink Anchor Text Analyzer is an advanced SEO tool for professionals who need to manage backlink profile anchor text and create link building strategies with high added value. In a link graph, you can analyze your backlink profile, which is crucial in optimizing your website for increased search engine visibility. Related Sites is an advanced SEO tool for search engine optimization that SEOs use to identify closely related websites in terms of their backlinks and overall backlink structure. Majestic offers a 7-day free trial with each plan, with a 7-day money-back guarantee for new customers, and paid plans start at $49.99 per month. If you want to use both Mangools and Majestic for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.